Okay, so here's our percent change graph with the deep red being the biggest percent change, and white being the smallest percent change.
Can it ever get cooler? Like, can the percent change be negative?
Oh, good question. Here's our histogram.
So it
So
doesn't look like
let me make this bigger since we're gonna look at this. What would it mean for the percent change to be negative?
Well, 0.0 is here,
Okay.
and so this is this line here, but we still have 3 kind of columns after that. So that means the percent change is less than 0, so that means it actually got cooler from 1919.
Yeah, so there were, is that a large number of counties or
It's
a
a
small?
very small number compared to the rest.
All right, so some small number of counties had a small negative percent change.
Yep.
Okay. Where are those counties?
Well, they seem to be like, sort of like southern, like southeast, sort of, but not really, not like Florida, but just kind of in this area
Okay.
in general.
All right, so some did get cooler.
Yep.
All right, what do you notice about this graph?
Well, so we keep the areas that are changed by a lot. You can still see have the high percent change, but I'm surprised that this area is still as high as it is, because that over here has like some of the highest temperatures,
Yeah.
average temperatures. So I'm surprised it's still such a big percent change.
Oh, okay, so interesting. So even when we switched over to percent change, what we had seen previously, some of the warmer areas had big movements, and we thought, well, okay, maybe it's just because they're warm, and maybe it's a smaller number on a bigger temperature. But it turned out they still had large percent changes. Okay.
Because like Maine here, like this is a much lower average temperature up here than this, but they changed by like, I think it was like 4+ degrees, but it's still a big temperature change regardless.
Okay. And what else do you see here?
Well, actually, surprisingly, you can sort of see, like, even up here, you can see the difference of climates, really. Because in, like, the northwest, I think there's, like, a cool, wet climate, and you can see this it's not changing very much compared to the hot, dry climates down here.
Okay, nice. All right, well, cool. So the neat thing about this is with your idea, all we had to do, because the prior code, which was not written by us, but it was so easy to use, all we had to do was change this function here, which was grouping the data by county and then computing something. It was computing, in this case, the prior case, I was just doing a 10-year average and we were looking at the difference. Here we're computing a 10-year average, converting to Kelvin, and then doing a percent change.
All right.
So it was easy. It was easy to look at the exact same data in a different way. So that's nice.
All right.
Do you have any questions or anything else you want to look at right now?
No, I think we covered it all.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Good job, guys.